Dear classmates, and myself I am Geetika. She is my friend.
I am Rajita from 8th class.
I am Shivan from 8th standard.
Before getting into the topic, I want to share my bad memory which happened a few weeks ago. My uncle is a heart patient. Suddenly he fell down with heart attack. Quickly we rushed to the hospital. But the road is blocked with number of vehicles. At last the road is cleared and we reached to the hospital. Before getting into the hospital, we have to park our car. If we park our car beside the road, the public may get disturbed. So there is a parking lot beside the hospital and I went into that and I am searching for the place to park my car. But there is no place to park my car. My uncle's situation is getting critical with every second. Luckily there was a parking lot beside the hospital and I went into that and I have parked my car. My uncle got the treatment and he is safe now. So if I know that the parking lot is filled and I will go for another option. So I have shared my feelings with my friends and we have developed an idea with IoT. Look into the block diagram and circuit diagram to get an idea. So for the demonstration purpose, we have created 3 slots here. So we are giving 3 inputs in our block diagram. The microcontroller, which is a heart of computer systems, and we are giving the power supply to the microcontroller with adapter. And the input, which is detected by the sensors, we can see that as an output on the LCD screen. So I am handing my project to Rajita and she will explain that.
In this model, we use some more components like IR sensor and LCD module Arduino. First, what is IR sensor? IR sensor is an electronic device which is used to detect some objects in our surroundings. And LCD module. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display, which is commonly used in embedded projects because of its cheap cost and availability and programmers friendly. In our day-to-day life, we come across this LCD displays in calculators. Now, working principle of IR sensor. IR sensor have 2 LEDs. One is IR LED and one is photodiode. IR LED transmits the infrared signal. If any object hits the infrared ray, they bounce back and that signal received by the photodiode and it's sent to the Arduino microcontroller and it's sent to the LCD display. We can see the output here. Now there is no cards in this. We take 3 slots, slot 1, slot 2, slot 3. For each slot we took each IR sensor. Slot 1 1 IR, slot 2 1 IR, slot 3 1 IR. Now in the when we give power supply to the Arduino, now all the electrical appliances will on. Now IR sensors start working. Now there is no card, so that's why the output will be slot 1 free, slot 2 free and slot 3 free. When someone is coming, the person who is driving from here and they stop the car in front of the gate and they see the LCD display. The slots are free, then he enter to the parking area and the slot is car. When some person's slot is car in the slot 1, then the IR LED detects it and it sent to the Arduino and we see the output in the LCD display. Now the IR sensor detect and the output is busy. Some object is there, so that's why the output is slot 1 is busy and slot 2 there is no object, so that's why slot 2 and slot 3 busy. Like that, when three slots have 3 cards, there is an object to detect the IR detector. So IR sensors will detect. Then the output will be there are 3 objects to detect the 3 IR sensors. So the output will be slot 1 busy and slot 2 busy and slot 3 busy. Like that, by using these sensors we can implement this idea in real time also. Now I am handling this to my friend.
Applications and benefits of slot-based parking system. We have so many advantages and benefits. It increases safety, save the time, reduce the traffic jam on the roads, make a smart city and climate for the best, real-time data and trend insight. Smart parking can be utilized private parking lots, shopping malls, hospitals, etc. Here we can also build up parking in the ground floor of the building. We can prepare an application according to this project, and from your home you can pre-book the parking slot for the certain time with your mobile phone. Thank you.
Thank you.